breaking news that's coming in. Facing losses of free bus rides guarantee in Karnataka, the Karnataka government has now approved a 15% hike in bus fares across 4 state-owned transport corporations that's going to be effective on 5th of Jan. This is a fare increase that has received the Karnataka cabinet approval. Karnataka's transport corporations have been increased by 15%. Decision stems from 295 crore losses in 3 months due to rising diesel prices is what is being stated. But the Karnataka cabinet is now hiking the bus fares by 15% to ease financial burden. I want to go across to my colleague Sri Lakshmi joining us from the Kannada newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, this is a bus hike that is taking place allegedly for ensuring that there is financial burden on the state, on Karnataka is reduced. Give us more details.
Well, Rhythm, our road transport corporations, all the 4 corporations were already in debt when Siddaramaiah took over. The debt amount was around 5,900 crores. Even, these corporations were having so much of debt. Siddaramaiah government decided to go with this free guarantee schemes. And now Ramalinga Reddy is saying that to cover up the loss and burden of these guarantee schemes, the 15% price hike is needed. But general public here in Karnataka are feeling that 15% hike will be too much, and government is to cover up the loss of its populistic schemes. Government is now looting the pockets of common people. That's what general public are feeling over here. And now the big question, Rhythm, is without a proper financial planning, without a proper fiscal planning, has this Siddaramaiah government started these Shakti and other free schemes just for popularity, and now the burden is put on normal common people over here. Still, Ramalinga Reddy says that, Transport Minister says that it has been 10 years since BMTC fares were hiked, and it's been 5 years that these 4 corporations bus price was hiked. But still, it's not fair that government is looting public money by hiking 15%, which is quite high for a common man. Rhythm. The big question now is, will at least now government have a proper fiscal planning for transportation?
All right, thank you for those details, Sri Lakshmi. It's a top focus we'll come back to. Viewers, the other top focus that we have right now, tensions are prevailing in CMR Engineering College in Hyderabad that is following allegations of inappropriate videos being recorded in the girls' hostel bathroom. The distressed girls were protesting today and expressed their anger at what had happened, even as we're seeing that immediate action is being demanded in the case, and it came to light when students suspected videos were being recorded in the bathroom. The students are now alleging that people who are working in the kitchen are behind this. First, take a look at what my colleagues are saying, what my colleague is picking up, and also then we get you reactions from the principal of the college.
Called the police because this is something very serious issue. So immediately we called the police, and the forensic team has also arrived, and immediately all the male staff who are the cooking staff, they are the cooking staff because the cooking staff are required to cook for around 1,000 people, right? So that immediately the mobiles of that particular people, everybody mobiles have been taken, and all these people have been taken to the police station. And their fingerprints have been collected, and already the police are investigating the case.